salt, pepper, garlic. And today, the gospel. And, well, you know, extra pepper, of course. All right, I'm going to go fire up this smoker. We're going to start it right about 250. We're going to let it go for 2 hours. Then we're going to wrap this bad boy for about an hour and a half. Here we go. One rack of baby backs, 250 degrees. Listen, I'm going to give them a little squish together, like push the meat together. Bad boys out there looking pretty good. Some of this off here. Look pretty good. Okay. Rock here. Put some butter on there. Some brown sugar on there. Some honey on there. Give this guy a flipper-doo. Going back over here. Meat down. What was that? Bump up the heat. 275. We're gonna let it go an hour and a half. Okay, what we're looking here. What we're looking for here is a little bone pullback. Feel like we're there. Careful, this is all steamy. Steamy and hill. Okay, perfect. This is perfect. That's exactly what we want to see right there. See how that bone pulled back there? Meat pulled back off the bones. These are done. I'm gonna flip them over and have a look. Oh, these look pretty good. Haven't decided how I'm gonna finish them yet. Look at this. These are amazing. All right, we're gonna chuck them back in here. Okay, some good fat rendered up. To sauce or not to sauce? I think I'm just going to use a little of this stuff here. Probably don't really need to. Because, man, these look good. Smell even better. All right, what we're gonna do? We're not gonna sauce these. They look great. I'm just gonna give those about 10 minutes to set up. Oh yeah, I'm gonna flip this guy over. Let's pull away from the bone. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Oh, goodness. Look at that. You want to try one of these, Yvonne?
I sure do.
I sure do. You want to eat this little end here?
Okay. Fall off the bone.
We got some potato salad and some beans.
Oh, that's a good rib.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
We're going to eat. You ready?
Mm-hmm.